Welcome to Playroom, your ultimate destination for fun and learning. Join us every morning as we kickstart the day with programming that is perfect for the little ones. From shows like Coco Melon to Akili and Me, it's a world full of joy where you can learn, sing and play in IsiZulu.
Wenza ukufunda isiNgisi kube mnandi kakhulu.
And as the sun climbs higher, so does their entertainment. All you older roomies out there can hang out with us on Playroom Live and keep up with the latest trends. Embark on crazy adventures with Sanjay and Craig. Dive into the world of total drama-rama.
Wait, are you naked?
Yes.
And experience epic superhero tales with Henry Danger. From morning to night, channel 300 on DStv.